Hello friends, this is Maintain Your MuleSoft Developer I Certification for Winter 25. This is MuleSoft Developer I Certification Maintenance. So once you read this batch, you will understand the purpose of this module. So please read this before checking the answers. So complete this module by the due date to keep your certification active. Make sure your Trailhead and WebAssessor account are linked. This maintenance module is made for certified developers, but anyone can earn the badge. So let's start then. What is the advantage of upgrading to Java 17 with Mule 4.6? So the correct option is E. Mule 4.6 adds support for Java 17 LTS, and Java 17 users benefit from new language features, security, and performance. How is Salesforce Data Cloud Connector used? The answer is it can be used to unify profiles, segment data, and activate and analyze data. Which of the following methods can be used for multi-factor authentication in AnyPoint Studio? So the correct option is D, A and B. So Google Authenticator and YubiKey. So check the quiz to earn 100 points.